Hey everyone, today we're diving into the world of fiberglass fleece and the adhesives that make it work. Fiberglass fleece, also known as glass fleece, is a versatile material used in various applications, from reinforcing concrete to creating sound-dampening barriers. Let's start by understanding the properties and application of fiberglass fleece. It's essentially a woven fabric made from thin glass fibers, giving it incredible strength and durability. This strength makes it ideal for reinforcing materials like concrete, plaster, and even wood. It's also resistant to moisture, chemicals, and fire, making it a reliable choice for various projects. Now, let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages of using fiberglass fleece. On the plus side, it's incredibly strong and durable, resistant to various elements, and relatively inexpensive. However, it can be a bit tricky to work with due to its fibrous nature, and it can be itchy if not handled properly. But the real magic happens when you choose the right adhesive. There are two main types of adhesives for fiberglass fleece: ready mixes and dry powders. Ready mixes are pre-mixed solutions that are easy to apply, but they might not offer the same level of strength as dry powders. Dry powders, on the other hand, require mixing with water, but they provide a stronger bond and are often more cost-effective. When choosing an adhesive, consider the specific application and the type of surface you're working with. Some adhesives are designed for specific materials, like concrete or wood, while others are more versatile. Now, let's talk about some popular manufacturers of fiberglass fleece adhesives. There are several reputable brands out there, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Some popular choices include, and researching each brand and reading reviews can help you find the best adhesive for your needs. Remember, the right adhesive is crucial for a successful project. It's important to choose an adhesive that's compatible with the fiberglass fleece and the surface you're working with. And always follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper application and drying time. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of fiberglass fleece and how to glue it properly. This stuff is a real game changer when it comes to creating smooth, durable surfaces, especially on walls and ceilings. So, let's talk about the technology behind gluing fiberglass fleece. It's all about creating a strong bond between the fleece and the underlying surface. The adhesive you choose plays a crucial role in this process, and we'll get to that in a minute. But first, let's talk about the tools and materials you'll need. You'll need a few essential tools to get the job done right. First, you'll need a good quality adhesive specifically designed for fiberglass fleece. We'll discuss the different types and properties of these adhesives in a bit. You'll also need a trowel, or a notched spreader, to apply the adhesive evenly. A paint roller will be helpful for smoothing out the fleece and removing any air bubbles. A level will ensure that your fleece is applied straight and evenly. And finally, you'll need a sharp utility knife for trimming any excess fleece. Now, before you start gluing, it's important to prepare the surface properly. Make sure the surface is clean, dry, and free of any loose debris or dust. If you're working with drywall, you'll want to prime it first to create a smooth, even surface for the adhesive to bond to. Alright, let's get to the fun part: gluing the fiberglass fleece. Start by applying a thin, even layer of adhesive to the surface using your trowel or notched spreader. Make sure to cover the entire area where you'll be applying the fleece. Then, carefully position the fleece onto the adhesive, making sure it's smooth and free of wrinkles. Use your paint roller to gently smooth out the fleece and remove any air bubbles. Now, let's talk about the peculiarities of gluing fiberglass fleece on gypsum board. Gypsum board is a popular choice for walls and ceilings, but it can be a bit tricky to work with. The key is to use an adhesive specifically designed for gypsum board. These adhesives are formulated to provide a strong bond even on porous surfaces like gypsum board. Finally, let's talk about finishing the fiberglass fleece. Once the adhesive has dried completely, you can apply a coat of joint compound to the seams and any imperfections. This will create a smooth, even surface that's ready for painting or wallpapering. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can successfully glue fiberglass fleece and create a beautiful, durable finish for your walls and ceilings. Remember to choose the right adhesive for your project, prepare the surface properly, and take your time. With a little practice, you'll be a pro in no time.